Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Cronos Group. Haven't talked about them in a while. Ticker is CRON, C-R-O-N, Cronos Group. Here's a look at what they've done over the last year, which isn't a whole heck of a lot. Run up to 1555 there on February 10th, along with every other MJ play. And came down ever so slightly and had a run up here and a run up here and then still fell off. So who knows where the bottom is on this one. And the last 3 months it's down over 32%. And the last month down over 30%. And the last week almost 11%. And here today down almost 3%. Down, down, down. So don't know where the bottom is on this one, or a lot of the other MJ plays, but I have 30 shares here. That's my lovely cost basis. Totally in the hole, over 50%. And here's a look at what they do. Production and distribution of MJ. Its brands is Peace Naturals, Cove Spinach, Lord Jones, and Peace Plus. Company was founded in 2012. Headquartered in Toronto, Canada. Volume of 2.5 million, and that's pretty much the average. And $1.48 billion market cap. Low, 52-week low of 388, 52-week high of 1583. And here's a look at the ratings. 43% saying a hold. Next earnings is coming up. December 27th. Here's a look at where I bought mine. So I've had mine for quite a while, over 2 years, and lost 50% on it. So it'll come back up. So, and over here on Bing, showing it as a sell with a 1-year price target of $6.03. Why Cronos Group? CRON is a stock not to be discarded in 2021. This is dated on the 13th. This goes over the last trading session. 52-week low. Instantly, CRON has showed a red trend with a performance of minus 5.12% at the end of the last trading. Performance over the last 5 days has remained in the green territory. The rise to weekly highs of 4.73 on Friday at 12:10 of 21 increased the stock's daily price by 9.94%. The company's shares are currently down 38.62% year to date, but still up 2.40% over the last 5 days. On the other hand, Cronos Group is 22.12% up in the 30-day period. The consensus price target, as assigned by Wall Street analyst, is $5.89. CRON is a forecast to be at a low of $4.98 and a high of $7.50. Here's some of the major holders. Hands of industrial investors. The stock currently has a share float of 31.81%. Cronos Group Incorporated stock is held by 315 institutions, with ETF Managers Group LLC being the largest institutional investor. That's kind of amazing by 315 institutions, but we'll take it. Aurora and 22nd Century Group license foundational biosynthesis IP to Cronos Group. I have some Aurora. I have 22nd Century, ticker XXII, and of course Aurora's ACB. Totally in the red on ACB in regards to their reverse merger, and I'm also in the red on 22nd Century. Announced today a 3-way non-exclusive agreement to license biosynthesis intellectual property to Cronos Group, intended to assist in the advancement of research and development of the biosynthesis of cannabinoids. Biosynthesis is a process common in the pharmaceutical industry, involves using living microorganisms to convert simple substances into complex compounds. Through biosynthesis, cannabinoids, particularly those that are rare, such as cannabigerol, CBG, I'll try to attempt some of these, cannabichromine, CBC, and cannabinol, CBN, are expected to be produced efficiently and reliably at high levels of purity. So very interesting. All the science, research and everything that goes into the different strains and everything and levels of purity is quite amazing. So we are deeply interested in the evolution of cannabinoids, and this is a promising step forward, the commercialization of cannabinoid products using biosynthesis, says Miguel Martin, CEO, Chief Executive Officer of Aurora. Long-term potential of rare cannabinoid molecules produced through biosynthesis is incredibly promising, given their efficient production methods and potential therapeutic benefits and utility in health, wellness, and consumer products. Aurora's connection to the biosynthetic production of cannabinoids originated with early work carried out by the company's former chief science officer and discovery of key genes within the cannabinoid biosynthesis pathway. So, kind of an interesting article. We believe that the availability of both plant-based biosynthetic cannabinoids will be important to the commercial success of our industry, and this agreement positions 22nd Century, Aurora, and Cronos Group with an important role in each approach. This goes over a little bit about Aurora. They're a global leader in the MJ industry, serving both the medical and consumer markets, headquartered in Edmonton, Alberta. About 22nd Century Group is a leading agriculture biotechnology company focused on tobacco harm reduction, reduced nicotine tobacco, and improving health and wellness through plant science. With dozens of patents allowing the control of nicotine biosynthesis in the tobacco plant, the company has developed a proprietary reduced nicotine content tobacco plants and cigarettes, which have become the cornerstone of FDA's comprehensive plan. And this goes over a little bit about Cronos, innovative global cannabinoid company with international production and distribution across 5 continents. Cronos Group is committed to building disruptive intellectual property by advancing MJ research, technology, and product development. And this is kind of some of the same information. Let's see if there's anything else in here that we missed. We'll license biosynthesis intellectual property to Cronos Group. License to help advance research and development of biosynthesis of cannabinoids. What is biosynthesis? It is the process common in pharmaceutical industry which involves using living microorganisms to convert simple substances into complex compounds. And feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. You can find this on Markets Insider. And moving on here, Cronos Group lifted to buy by Zacks Investment Research. Upgraded shares of Cronos Group from a hold rating to a buy rating in a research report sent the investors on Monday. Reports the firm currently has a $4.75 price target on the stock. A number of other research analysts have also issued reports on CRON. Barclays assumed coverage on shares of Cronos Group in a report on Thursday. And feel free to pause and go over the rest there. Here's another article saying Cronos Group downgraded by Zacks Investment Research. So this is lifted to a buy at Zacks, and this is dated here today. Lifted to buy and downgraded by Zacks. Interesting. Must have changed their mind. Downgraded Zacks from a buy to a hold in research. Unless it's a glitch, I don't know. But over here on Reddit, holiday plans for Omni CRON variant. That doesn't even. Over here on Stock Twits, currently at $3.99 with a 52-week low of $3.88 and a 52-week high of $15.83. Manipulation, I would agree. Growth, Mother Earth and Wind. Oregon lawmakers pass bills to end illegal weed grows in southern region and southern of the border. Not sure what that one is. TPCO Holdings. I don't know what that one is. Torrey CRON. Terracin Corp. Haven't heard of that one either. Over here on Tip Ranks, currently at $3.99. This is showing a moderate sell with a 28.57% upside to $5.13. High of $6.50, low of $3.90. If you have CRON, go ahead and list that in the comments along with your cost basis. Any other information you might care to share on this one. And if there's any other favorite MJ plays out there, feel free to leave that in the comments as well. And I'd be happy to take a look. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. And hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.